Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily replace the battery in your Mercedes Key. So your Mercedes Key may have died completely, or like mine it might have just got weak and you want to replace the battery before it does die. Irrespective, you'll need a brand new CR2025 battery to do this job. So to get started, you start by removing the emergency key. So you slide that little black notch across and that pops the key out. And then if you just look at the end of the key, you can see there's a little screwdriver effect on the end of the key. And we're going to use that to pop the cover out. So you turn the key upside down and then you use that little end effect just on this side to push against a little tab. There you go. Now I'll just lift that up and I'll show you that little tab that I'm talking about. So you can see that little tab there, right there. That's what I pressed with the end of the emergency key. So with the cover off, you can see the battery. So we just pop that out like that. We can confirm that it is a CR2025 battery. And then we get the new battery out. And pop it straight back in. Just like that. And put the cover back on. Pop that in place. Put our emergency key back in. And we are good to go. And obviously the final thing to do is to test that our key now works. And we can see it's now working perfectly. So that's it, folks. That's how to replace the battery in your Mercedes Key. If you have liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. In the future, I will be posting more videos on how to repair and maintain your Mercedes vehicle yourself. And if that is something you're interested, don't forget to hit that bell notification so you do see all those updates straight away. In the meantime, have a good evening.